Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool shoe rack that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, but the bottom line is this one. Number one, it was pretty easy to assemble. Everything comes explained right here, so you're not going to have any issues. I think it took me about 40 minutes with power tools, or 30 minutes, I think, no more than that with power tools. So that is gonna be super easy for you to do. And then something about this one, it is a heavy unit, so that's actually really good, but comes with rubber pads at the bottom, so you can move it super easily. If you have like wooden floors or tail or something like that, you can actually see that you can move it perfectly, no issues. But it's heavy, so it's gonna stay in place. I put it in here because I think this could be really good as a kind of like in the entrance of your house, if you're one of those people that likes to take off your shoes and just leave them out there before getting into your house. If you have carpet or something like that, then you can actually put them right here. But of course, you can put it in your closet if you need as well. So now let's take a closer look. So talking about measurement, this is 35 inches tall by 31 inches wide by 14 inches deep. So you're gonna see something here. You're gonna see tons of room over here for all your shoes. It comes with, you're gonna see right here, a magnet. So once that you reach this point, that's it. It's not gonna move easily. But then I'm gonna just mention something. It comes with plenty of shelves over here, 5 actually. So this is a 5 tier, but you can rearrange them. If you have like high, I don't know, what's it, like high ankle boots or something like that, like this tall, you can remove this one, put it in the bottom, or remove it at all and put your boots over here. So that is really good. You can actually keep 5, 3, 4, 1 shelf, whatever you want. So the other thing I want to mention is that all my shoes are 11.5, and you can see that this I can close perfectly. But then let me show you something. This I can close perfectly, no issues. But then if you have like big shoes or big sneakers, I want to say, like this one, for example, these are 11.5, and then you're going to see that it kind of like it's not closing. So I think that this one goes up to shoes size 11, big ones like this one goes up to size 11, or if you're like regular shoes, up to size 12. Like these ones, for example, are super regular shoes. So these can actually go up to size 12, but it's kind of like a mix in between 11 and 12, I want to say. And then you can see how much room you have. These are male shoes, which are always bigger than female shoes, like women's shoes. But these ones, of course, for women's shoes is going to have so much room. And of course, super easy to remove these ones. You're not going to have any issues. These ones are the ones that you can actually remove, as you can see over here, not these ones. But this one, you can remove them, just like change the position and arrange them. So I like it, super easy to assemble, really good quality on the wooden side. 35 inches, comes with handle as well, and super easy movement. Heavy unit, nice for the entrance of your house or your closet. I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.